Effective maintenance keeps systems running safely and reliably. For comprehensive analysis, like classical reliability-centered maintenance, which is one of the two types of RCM I spoke about in the last video, it has high costs and takes a lot of time and effort. So intuitive RCM streamlines the process for more efficient analysis. So it's more commonly called Streamlined RCM, or there's proprietary names out there like PMO, Preventive Maintenance Optimization, and a few others. This one's a little bit more controversial because Streamlined RCM applies reliability-centered maintenance principles, but it doesn't analyze every failure mode like classical RCM does. It focuses on some of the more obvious tasks based on experience and data. This process approach is suited for facilities where the system failures have a lower impact on the system. For example, an AC system in an office building, if we did streamlined RCM, you could maybe end up with visual inspections, filter changes, cleaning, monitoring amps, without having to do such a lengthy analysis like failure modes and effects analysis, because we could also take into previous history and expert knowledge. We're still going to follow the RCM process, but just less intensive. It keeps the equipment operating effectively, but also gets the analysis done faster. Streamlined RCM minimizes that evaluation to offset the costs as well. But relying on records and personnel risks missing hidden failures because we're relying on people knowing that they're there. So at least one person that's doing the analysis should understand the maintenance technologies, the philosophies, and be an expert in that equipment. That means it works best when the system's function is really well known. A failure typically won't as severely impact safety, environment, and business production. And there's quite often better redundancy in your equipment as well. So for most facility systems, Streamlined RCM efficiently balances the safety, risk, consequences with cost and time and effort. It's often preferred by organizations when a more rigorous analysis isn't actually needed. So Streamlined RCM simplifies this whole experience and avoids unnecessary analysis, but still optimizes your maintenance. Thanks for watching. Please like on the buttons below and subscribe so you don't miss out more on this step-by-step RCM 2-minute talk series. Bye for now.